Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Chili crab's story doesn't end with its famous sauce. Around the world, chefs have created unique versions while preserving the traditions that made this dish legendary. Let's discover how chili crab continues to evolve and delight food lovers everywhere. One of the most enjoyable aspects of eating chili crab is the interactive dining experience. Unlike many dishes that require only a fork and knife, chili crab encourages people to use seafood crackers, small forks, picks, and sometimes even their hands to break open the shells. This process may appear messy, but it is considered an important part of the experience. Friends and families gather around the table, helping one another crack difficult shells while sharing conversation and laughter. The meal often lasts much longer than ordinary dinners because everyone takes time to enjoy each piece of crab carefully. Many diners believe that the effort required to reach the sweet meat inside actually makes every bite more satisfying. No discussion of chili crab would be complete without mentioning fried mantou, the soft Chinese-style buns that almost always accompany the dish. These fluffy buns are lightly fried until golden brown on the outside while remaining soft inside. Their mild flavor makes them the perfect companion for the rich chili sauce. After finishing the crab meat, diners eagerly dip pieces of mantou into the thick sauce, making sure none of the flavorful mixture is left behind. Many people consider this final step one of the highlights of the meal because the bread absorbs every layer of sweetness, spice, and savory richness. Although chili crab is deeply connected to Singapore, similar seafood dishes can be found throughout Southeast Asia. Malaysia offers its own regional interpretations, sometimes featuring stronger spice levels or different seasoning blends. Indonesia includes local herbs and chilies that reflect its diverse culinary traditions. Modern restaurants around the world have also created unique versions using lobster, prawns, shrimp, crayfish, or even soft shell crab. Some chefs experiment with smoked chilies, roasted garlic, or tropical fruits to give the sauce a fresh twist while preserving its classic identity. These creative adaptations demonstrate how one traditional recipe can continue evolving without losing the qualities that made it famous. The popularity of chili crab has expanded dramatically thanks to international travel and social media. Travelers visiting Singapore often share photos and videos of their meals, introducing millions of viewers to the dish. Television cooking competitions regularly feature chili crab because preparing it successfully requires both technical skill and creative presentation. Food bloggers frequently rank it among the best seafood dishes in the world, encouraging even more people to add it to their travel bucket lists. As a result, restaurants specializing in Singaporean cuisine have opened in cities across North America, Europe, Australia, and the Middle East, allowing more people to experience this famous delicacy without traveling overseas. Beyond its delicious flavor, crab also offers impressive nutritional value. Crab meat is naturally rich in high-quality protein, making it an excellent food for maintaining muscles and supporting tissue repair. It contains vitamin B12, an essential nutrient that helps produce healthy red blood cells and supports normal nervous system function. Crab is also a valuable source of selenium, zinc, copper, and phosphorus, minerals that contribute to immune health, bone strength, and energy production. Compared with many other animal proteins, crab is relatively low in saturated fat while still providing satisfying nutrition. However, the rich chili sauce often contains added sugar and sodium, making moderation important for those watching their overall diet. Sustainability has become an increasingly important topic in the seafood industry. As global demand for crab continues growing, governments, fisheries, and environmental organizations work together to protect natural crab populations. Responsible fishing practices help prevent overharvesting while ensuring healthy marine ecosystems remain productive for future generations. Many restaurants now proudly source their seafood from sustainable fisheries, allowing customers to enjoy chili crab while supporting responsible environmental stewardship. Consumers can also play a role by choosing restaurants that value sustainable seafood practices and follow responsible sourcing guidelines. Preparing chili crab at home can be both exciting and challenging. Home cooks must carefully organize ingredients before turning on the stove because each step happens quickly once cooking begins. Fresh aromatics should be chopped in advance, sauces measured accurately, and the crab cleaned thoroughly before entering the pan. As confidence grows, many home cooks begin adjusting recipes according to personal taste by adding extra garlic, increasing the chili level, or experimenting with different herbs and spices. Although homemade versions may differ slightly from restaurant recipes, the satisfaction of serving freshly prepared chili crab to family and friends makes the effort worthwhile. For many people, chili crab represents more than just outstanding seafood. It symbolizes hospitality, celebration, and togetherness. Birthdays, family reunions, holidays, and special occasions often feature large platters of chili crab placed at the center of the table for everyone to share. The communal nature of the meal encourages conversation, cooperation, and laughter as people help one another crack shells and pass around warm montabuns. Unlike meals served in individual portions, chili crab naturally brings everyone together, creating memories that often last much longer than the meal itself. As culinary traditions continue evolving around the world, chili crab remains a shining example of how simple ingredients can become something extraordinary through creativity and careful preparation. From its humble beginnings in a small kitchen to its recognition as one of the world's greatest seafood dishes, chili crab has inspired generations of chefs and delighted countless diners. Its combination of fresh crab, aromatic spices, silky sauce, and shared dining experience continues to capture the hearts of food lovers everywhere. Every serving tells a story of innovation, culture, craftsmanship, and community, proving that truly remarkable dishes are not defined only by their ingredients but also by the memories they create around the table. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.